Hi, we are showing you today the tools you would need: a screwdriver, a long possible socket in a 17mm size with a socket wrench to remove the center thermostatic cartridge and or the shutoff and or the spring check valve. You'll notice in this particular application we have painted red and blue so you know which side is hot and which side is cold. So I'm going to currently take a large screwdriver, and this one is in its full open position. This one is in the shut-off position. And when you shut off the water, you snug this all the way down until it stops. To allow your water to come back in, we unscrew it all the way so it's in the full upright position in the raised area. Next, I want to remove this shut-off cartridge for whatever reason. Maybe it's leaking, maybe it's dripping through the shower head. So we would take our 17mm socket with a tool. We would then simply unscrew this unit, remove that cartridge, and you can see it's a large one, and that would be the same as any of our other 3/4 inch replacement cartridges, and it would go right back in and fit. The next thing we want to do is remove the thermostatic cartridge, and I'm going to explain to you that when this is properly installed, you must have a long socket and you must have the correct 17mm, and that could be buried in your wall a long distance. But in any case, you would simply use your socket tool and you would unscrew it until it's loose, and then when you want to remove it, you're going to find it will stick. It have to jiggle a little bit because there are some O-rings right here, here. You can see the 3 O-rings, and they create a seal on the inside. So when exchanging this for a new cartridge, and sometimes the screens will all be clogged up with debris, then you're going to pop the new one back in, and you're going to have to jiggle a little bit, and as you hand tighten it, and then you'll need to go back to your socket and tighten it all the way down until it's seated in its body. Then you can turn your water back on.